Hi friends, I'd like to talk with you about some very exciting news and changes that I'm making to my YouTube channel. Stay tuned, you don't want to miss it. Friends, thanks for watching. Subscribe right now if you have not yet subscribed to McBean Immigration TV. This is a wonderful channel and community to be part of. Friends, as you know, you've been following me for maybe recently you just got wind of my channel, you found me, or maybe you've been following me for the past 2 years and you've been watching my channel grow and you've been seeing some of the content that I've been putting out there. You may also be a part of my email list, which is amazing. My email list provides additional tips each week. And I want you to go ahead and subscribe to my email list if you have not yet done so, because through my email list, I provide a lot more information and tips than I do in these videos. Friends, what's new? What am I working on that will impact you and this channel? Firstly, I'm excited to announce that I'm going back to my how-to videos. Friends, there's so much negativity in the world, as we already know. You hear it on CNN, you hear it on MSNBC, you hear it from all these different sources. And my channel was never created to be a forum of negativity and a forum for people to spew hate, racism, and xenophobia, and all sorts of nasty things. No, this channel was created to provide hope and information and knowledge and all that good vibes, good stuff to people who are genuinely looking for information. And so I'm going back to my mission. What you're going to see from me over the next few weeks, months, and even years, obviously, is more videos about how to do stuff. Like, I'm going to get into it with you. I'm going to start sharing my computer screen. I'm going to start telling you exactly how to do things. I'm going to walk you through some things step by step. So there's going to be more tutorials. I'm also going to speak a lot more about citizenship and how folks can get citizenship here in the United States, and provide some very helpful practical guides and steps and all of those good things to teach you how to pass the civics test and the English test, and how to study for that exam, and how to become eligible for citizenship. I'm also going to go back to green card, friends. There's so much to talk about with respect to green card. I'm going to talk about a lot of substance and tutorials involving the green card. So you're going to see a lot more of that, and you're going to see me more in a relaxed mode. You know, yes, I'm in this office, but guess what? This is still a relaxed environment and a cheerful, upbeat environment. And so I want to send those positive vibes to you. And I want to teach you some very, very good things around citizenship, around green card. Yes, from time to time, I will throw in information about the latest Trump policy change and what's going on in the world of immigration. I think it's important for you to be informed as well, but that's not going to be the predominant thing that this channel is about. This channel is about education, it's about information, it's about sharing wonderful, positive knowledge with you. So friends, if you like that, subscribe, get on my email list so that each week you're going to get more free tips from me, by the way. And I'm going to walk you through how I get things done in my office and for my clients, and the success stories and all of those wonderful things. You're going to hear about it on my email list. So go ahead and sign up for my email list right now. And friends, I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.